So I will be dropping this into the washing machine with a Tide Pod. And I'm going to put it on quick wash, eco warm, and it's really light, low spin, and we will see how it holds up in the wash. Okay, so we are in the washing machine. Dun 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 dun. Let's see if the image is still there. Yay! Okay, so this one is from the Sublimating. Okay, so you can see where it kind of lifted a little bit. One of the little eyes is missing. Patrick looks like he's still intact though. And this one is from our homemade. So that fared way better than the Sublime, but I'm gonna dry it and just see. That is with our homemade at a lower temperature, and then this is just regular cotton, no anything. So I'm going to dry it, and then we'll see if it's still how it looks once it's dry. Okay, so I'm putting it on quick dry for 30 minutes. It typically cuts off once it realizes that the item is dry in the dryer, so it will not be a full 30 minutes. But I will be drying it, and I will show you results after it is dry. Okay, so the cloth is nice and dry now, and as you can see, this image is still in the cotton shirt. This one is still there. These two, I believe, faded a little bit, but not too much. This one, with just the sublimation, no spray or anything, really faded. And then this one faded some too. This one was pressed on 355 or 360 for 60 seconds. This one was 380, I want to say, for 70, and then this one was 380 for 70. So it may be how long or how hot the press is and how long you press it for the image to not fade. But it was all washed at the same time. I did put detergent in it was a Tide Pod into the washing machine. This one with the homemade spray stayed on. This one with the store-bought spray stayed on. This one was the same spray as that one, but like I said, this one was pressed on a lower temperature. And then this one was just regular cotton. So do not do that. Put it on a higher temp. Do this. Maybe I'll try it again at 400 and see how it lasts. And then this one also, so they fared pretty well together, I would say, for the homemade spray and then the one you brought in the store. This one is maybe is a little bit brighter, but if you are not able to purchase the spray through the store, you can make your own and you'll have the same results. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video and the update on the cloth. And until next time, peace.